front of me is HONOR X7d, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. You need to begin by pinching your device's display to access all of those options. Now to resize icons in few seconds, use Settings at the bottom right corner. Tap on Icon Size and operate this slider to adjust them. You can check out Preview at the top. Now a common mistake is going back, but you need to make sure to tap on Apply to save your changes. So when I do that, and then go back, I can see that size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!